rough. Say, that's right. Oh. Yes. Oh. You can even do it on the same pitch that Mommy does. You're such a good listener. Oh. That's right. Oh. That's right. Can you do it a third below Mommy? We can do a harmony. Say, oh. Say, oh. Emma, look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. Okay. Can you say, no? Do you see the Mommy? Yeah. It sounds like you're saying, hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Emma, that's a classic thing for a girl to say. Oh, you say oh at babies and oh at pretty things. Yeah, you say ooh, beautiful. Oh yeah, that's close. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Oh, the little hiccup. They're always going. Yes, they are. Tell Mommy all about it. Oh! Well, goodness. I just don't know. Tell me more. Tell Mommy more. Is it time for our beauty sleep? Ooh. Bless you. Say, bless you. Say, oh. Oh. You're doing really short ones. Oh. 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 We're reaching for that hair. Does that mean it's almost time for bed? Tell Mommy. Say time for bed. Okay. Oh. What are you doing with your hair? You're making it stand on end. Say, oh.